You decrease, you the man, and make some of all these people blow. You don't see many people come enter, they cause who pass them. But to God be the glory before they start and many people don't wise. Iyana wa ye kick baby biele kaya no la no ta where you decrease you the man ya do have social media. Iyan ige you understand so? No only will change the character now they come they sit down and watch. The one way thought say I just come and you decrease you the me ya ye kick be ya because obede no do yasan ya gwima gwan wa go ye do gwan we no na ma oh we now you bring me come abroad you be my papa mama you be oba no oba no dey come talk to you by himself now we so go talk to ourselves you understand so it's not good don't take our women back okay if you before you dey wear clothes you dey do sport you dey show ekpo which is not nice okay. At least you know common clothes. Any reasonable human being go know. Say I don't need to show my curve of way before I make a statement. But okay, if this is your line of it, it's not a problem. But gradually, like that, they like you. Say you they make them laugh, you they funny, you talk about the Ekia, they were liking it, it was so okay. Now adult class, who want watch? But before you know, you first of all turn into sand. You still wear clothes, but you were making sand. This social media where they see so. Some single mothers not there and their children they wash them. That is why Facebook they always talk say if we see anything like that, more they report them so that Facebook go there okay for everybody to browse. And you now you fit to say, if pikin a small pikin, na me say na me dey there, but put them for private now. Not put them for public. Because your mama no can say because you do your own, making also waka for Facebook. Facebook or where or me, but the Facebook when I lue or safe no what is safe in me where more remedia maybe more where ya. But when I got no way, who are in and when they I'm your monoma who veganana jena. But on more a team your man on naked. Picking 50 person when naked, they social media they do sports. You know go say, Mama, come and see. No. You know that it can happen. You are doing sport, you just want to be naked. But the moment picking yeah, who even wear clothes, if you say, everybody, all children know what is that. You understand? So please, my lady, for the sake of say, our women don't stop this bad character of making men, telling men say they are sex objects. Don't take them back. What did you teach yesterday? You naked. You can't even wear clothes whether they wear for a shower joints for Italy. Do you know what that means to many women yesterday? And you say you are a teacher. You are supposed to teach these women out of be vulnerable for men. But you are teaching them again that the only thing they are good for is sex. But I will put it to you. I've been with a man and to God be the glory. 2 decades. But the truth of the matter, the way you tell the show how we they relax with husband yesterday, I will tell you it's a lie. Husband they don't like all those type of rough sex. Husband, you know people will like rough sex. Husband we go carry a shower, anything we like. What did they do yesterday? Men they do our bonner to a shower, not to their wife. I'm telling you. So, are you not preparing our women mind back again to the streets? The clothes you were putting on yesterday, he said, no, to Edo people. Do you know how many of them? No jet book mona they we do any joy, who would a bit worry my dear? Why? And what teaching ya? You believe you were. You were ne. You like any no. Why nana me where who taking you to some certain stage? You love you when you build the confidence on you. Who are taking you to a shower nene what? Oh nene what? Okonoro godo ahia godo make sense. Ven we ya meya no de no. Okonoro godo ahia godo make sense. O mani di no ya jukmo no jave dun O mani di no je e tati no suvun yo. Di yo. When in evi na ni mi. O kwa jitala wo suvun yakara. It make me oga odono. No. La wo. Hey wiyen gbe veri oni. Umuyan gboto beke na o wiyan je. Awo doya ni ga age no de no mamare ibi edo no iro. It was so disgusting. Why nana mi we ibi edo wa me mi onve no wa muladian do a show so queen no gbe we mi no cheap. Emi no mama. Okay, are we literate or naked the social media? Are we literate re social media yan we mi no magba? My sister, do you think about it? When we go azebo, you may do just school, you may. When we go azebo, we do away the worst. When we go azebo, we wado away the worst in here. So I give me up by a zokba, we web everybody now. I give me up by where no na be decent. Okay. A business in a cabaret business. It's not a problem. But if you want to go naked like this, take it to private classes. It's very lucrative. Take it to private class. Where I go private class where? Oh no, where will be buying now? Who we are lose a customer? Because a lot of people don't like this type of raw one outside. They don't like it. Number one, they don't want you to corrupt their wife. Hell, my sister, you know no married male. You see those things where married men they too told now, we be single girl, single mother. They're not they doing for us so. You know say we always they talking. Married man don't want to do his wife like the way they do a shower. You know why married men go come to now where turn your back, bring your nash, bring your hoe. Anywhere where oh they walk back we jump you are sign your way no there. Because when we are in or one yagan or my consign us you not to explain you are all when you are like wow God say or so why whatever you any married woman where married where girls might go do he husband like he pull hole he can't wear a shower cloth he can't say to them I want to be a shower for you no that man you don't give a psychological problem go do finyo do how which day my wife start this one. Which kind of wife I marry so? I've been at that thing where they do for road, now you don't come back for a year again. She can't say this woman girl just now. Why this woman white like this? Why this? That is what married men have in their head. Or what do you use married men think? Oh, yeah, kita. Because you go ginya. Oh, be a here lu ene oge. Oh, lu enya kan woman. Oh, be a here lu ene oge. Oh, when you talk. Otwasen yo no edinya twasen ya wo ginya wo wa twasen ya wo ge wo wa beto ga ya mu wo yo twasen yo o we nyawa uye nyawa o we nyawa agbada o we wow very big no e dota bo wo he wo wa there yo do big eta kwe big exa beto ga wa so eni o we nyawa I like it big. I like your big toto. Open it. Oh, let me see if I finger can enter. Hey, enter. I like it like this. This I like. Not lie. It's for us. Oh my boy, no boom. Eric Biabevayo. Okay, boy. But you so oh we gumeri kunya we yogume zion yogum oh we zion goni yo ekunkubani wo zion yogumeri yogome bai gerai double penetration we are all where hell opiana I don't cash you hell it too like me anything we like now they do now because oyeman ye na rubbish we no oriowa nek biani mare neya ikbiani mare noe you vunisa you vunisa we be si achawo mu vunisa re we no mu wani oh vunisa oh I like it to vunisa oh we more oh I like vunisa me tamo bo he bo wa de pe la re na vunisa I oh, when you like it hard, I do it hard, igbo, because if you know my nyano, and even we am with bueno, when we are tabe bwe, amalu enyaga. My sister, Elin Watamia not the way, Eliano, Okwane Nemo Nemu, Emio Ogeno. Ikwane Kwemu Yarada, in your mamiena. When itana. You understand me? Ikwane Kwemu, women will not get shame. When they do ha 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 ha, oh yeah, put on, pa. Now the day outside, they go get many person, many people, many men where they can't do them. But they not go see one where one stay. You know they know why. Hell, as I see the one where I say cover body, the man go. This one I really live on. I live on for the man. White down. Ina gele totanya megi lue megi siye megi gele we nene man. Hey. What's the normal yesterday? Because Ihuone huemu okbieste. Ihuone huemu okbieste. Eono ya woko no wide ekita. Egwalo. You understand, my lady? Emi yanu wa uno de. I wear a private class. Oh, when you do pay, pay. He ain't paying la way. In short, we are so way. Emani je do atabi be we who wa mi so wa naked di no there yi jo naked yesterday oh I have bu we di no we naked di bi be na Emma lao give me obi do na be mi we me heavy gbera bi ave we a way in a better way obi Yoruba waro You understand? Yoruba woman day when they do says this thing, go bring this thing, come and cassava. Sometimes it go suck and sometimes it go use and when it go they talk and it go really dress very sexy. But she never one day show her breast to no man. She never one day show her boy. Never show her nyash. He never wear that kind of way you wear. But she has been there. And since when she start, go look at her today. You will now one time you tell no, say this woman don't grow. She too private. She come to public and talk about it. This health wise. She talk about sex position. She talk it. Even married Yoruba people, they will be there. But she will never go naked. Do you know what is nakedness, my lady? Do you know the meaning of nakedness? Eba. The public. Do you know the meaning of nakedness in public? You see all these people, some presenter day now where the one already thought say, oh Monica, they come for you. I don't have time. But this thing you did is a bad message to our people. That's why I am addressing it. You can go to private class. Not be people they do porno star. Like you, maybe you are a porno star. You never want to talk reach there. You understand? Maybe you are a porno star. You never want to talk reach there. But you can be a porno star. People are doing it. But do you know one thing? Me you say no, say, you feel talk now, say, hey, Monica, go. You are not exposed. I'm exposed. No, I'm very, very exposed more than you. Because person way exposed can never go naked on public like that. Are you a nudist? There are people that are nudists by profession, by living. Is that who you are? Then if that is who you are not supposed to even wear bra. You are supposed to be pure naked, but you will not talk about sex. There are people who they always naked, but they don't talk about sex. Naked and talking about sex is just pure one thing. And using the old clothes where women don't fair use for Italy, and you are from Italy. It's a very bad message you are passing across. You are in UK for goodness sake, UK. A lot of things where you will fit do for UK. You can be a porno star inside that your house there. Make it classic. Social media, nothing can ever go classic or when degree. The moment you enter social media, you do what is not correct. People must talk to you, and before you know, you become zagazag. You understand? There is no way you will say, I'm on my own. You are doing nudity on Facebook that is a public play, and you even put it on public. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. My lovely people, see one thing she did yesterday. That is not good. It's not good, my darling. Please. Your matter, my way, na your thing, na your body. Na your body. But take it to private class. Don't do it on public because of why? Bini, where you they speak. Edo, where you come from. Because so many names on social media they don't give them to us. Only they say again, this one, it don't make sense. Too cheap. What did you do yesterday? Yesterday on is too cheap. Are you telling our women copy me? This is how to get a man? No. Are you saying have sex to your husband? This is how to have sex? No. I'm a married woman for 2 decades. I will tell you no. No, that's not how to have sex with your husband. No. Okay, are you telling the women when they hook up, say this is how they should portray themselves to a man? Do you know what you were doing yesterday? All these people when they do hook up, the moment any man say like them, they go say, hey, I like that one where that girl they do. That one, sister, you fit show me because the way they do now, so I want first show me first. That one go say, I know they show you come, you go say, rest. You go to another one, show me. Before you know, they will go back to where they are coming from again. Because the pressure when you don't put on men, that's the way they do, you say you they laugh. Many crazy men, when they sit to they plenty for social media, when you don't pressure the feeling for their hair, you don't sleep. If they want sleep, they start to they remember what you show. You start to they popo everywhere. Please, that kind of thing. Do you know, like this lady, Gambia man and woman, where they carry man, people can't go call police for her that day. You know why police not talk to her? You know what the police ask? Police ask the man, are you here by force or by your will? He said, by my will. He force you, say no. And police not see, say the woman, they go naked, they open toto, they harass us. So what's the problem? Do you know, if somebody know your address and report what you did yesterday, the police will arrest you. You don't harass people publicly. That was an harassment. You wasn't passing no message. You just come, you naked, do it like this, fuck it like this. No, you don't do people. Because the people where you they show, make them fuck like this. They're not there to fuck you. They're there with children for us. People, mothers, they go work. My sister, I bet, think this thing is very risky you are doing. A lot of single mothers, they get another boy for us, when be their husband, when they try to work relationship together. They leave their children for them. The mothers don't go work. Before they come back, they can't wash you. They say, and you forget, say men, ordinary look, feel make man get up. Ordinary, feel make man. You don't they look for where you want to come. What you are doing is very dangerous. It's not something where you go be say, like Tata that day. He said they call police for me. The police don't go. Yes. The reason why police don't have right to arrest her. She not naked. She not harass nobody. Person where they call police say he kidnap her. The person say no, he no kidnap me, na my lover. Police don't go. But if we know your address, we report to UK police that you are always harassing small children, everybody on social media. You always come naked. You naked yourself. You harass people. You will be arrested. Your Facebook will be terminated. Yes. Because you don't arrest people with your nudity. That's why until tomorrow, Bluefin na private. Now you the type on. Do you know one thing where Bluefin they do? If I open my web now, I type Bluefin. Okay? It come out. I wash them. Do you know, if I go back again, I need to retype, you know, they keep on. But if I type something like, what is depression? If I go back tomorrow, that thing go still there. It go still there. I only need to click, it go open. But if I type adult movie, if I go back now, I need to retype it. Do you know why? It's private. So that person no come to say, I can't carry a phone. He can't get adult movie inside. No. The moment you watch adult movie, you come on for that site. It clean out of your telephone. Now so Oyibo put private series. If you ever go there, now your own head carry you go there. You see, so my sister la wo. Remember when we use a social media, go naked, but don't talk about sex when you are naked. Then you are not giving message. You can't be naked and you are telling people this is how to fuck. You don't have to naked to tell people how to fuck. You can be on your boba. You can be on your sport wear. You can be on your jeans. The moment you are talking about sex, they will come and wash. You don't have to go naked. Going naked and talking about it is harassment. You are harassing people's husband. You are harassing people's children. You are harassing some women. Not all women can stand to watch their fellow women go naked and begin to display that thing. Not all women can take it. And again, do you think Benin people never had enough of this type of thing on social media? I think so. Again, see what you do. I know all these little details. Some people on social media cannot take the details. I always take all these details. That's why I'm Monica Lobolobo, aka Shine Your Shine. The leader that lead, no? All the mumus. Apart from the better ones. The other sworn mumus follow. Okay? Let me show you what you did. When you were doing that thing, you have never promoted Edo when you put on good clothes. But when you want to naked and fuck, you started promoting Edo music. Why? Is this what Edo have to represent? Bini guess? Ubu keba kona ya swe ovora me no basi. The nakedness. For what? Wanna listen? This was the music she played while displaying. No, my sister, don't do it. Here where even power near stop you where you can go ahead and do it. But no, if you really love the Tonimose, una gele respected to look carry. And joining riffraff. Ya humiliated though. Or when Edonimo said donating when we are naked ya juponia jogi we kumpo ya wina. When I do ya choema where the nakedness and the online they don't hate. If you don't point of naked. When in naked when I do a see one. When I don't win to your why? No one now wait to any Mariana, but me social media be webo. I think you want one. I got put one but now I zemo so you the jealous, you the jealous. Because on you your panorian with jealousy on Queen. So yeah, your mother was jealous. And can I swear your back when I strip? When I give me one, I have your body with me. When I'm with one bar, when I feel about you, when I when I was saka, if you don't matter, if you don't even sense in the Ryan Degel, I mean, no, go on. I can't for you, saying, Papa. Let the doctor support you with the social media. When we originally few months from 9 years, and the Motama that it may not tie no with more matter. And they don't ban on the social media. Or man day gets them in go far. Or they gets them in where you are blessed. Wagin wow. If you had to me, On a une one, no ya fio boju with it, no there. Na one no ya go naked. No ke with a fin. Wa hene na. Oblige mo ba who purposely with ye do e. Who purposely with ye because ni buma e nek biyan. Wo ye do. Ani ye do non like nakedness. Il y a do ima ku conseil akara beriana. Ori su mwana nona we dans smart su mwana gbe. Ou gbede le souhait be na souhait. Why the message no ruwe music na. Ogi naked dona wo bi do pataki. Eyin o ma so nu wa o so ni mesu wugolo. O so ni mesu wugolo. O ma je wo, o ma mu ifie ye gbe, o ma ru kun mu ewe. Nu mu ni yu mu. Nu agbe ji nwana wo ye do pataki emehin. Una naked. Ou then we get you come for. Not your man you come for. Man no naked or you come for That's why any milk in the social media name my yaga, but we finally on my mama book on the really come for. And to hear me. The one was when your badge. When nobody else, when nobody else have combination. We get go naked. When nobody else do pataki over him, they mean they do why. They mean they do why. They mean they do why. What's the enemy? Okay, Talipa. Not the UK. What people wait to $1 that go wedge. No forget me, you're not better. I just go to UK. I don't hear doctor. I hear lawyer. I hear your panya na ye school ya here. Uma choose on it. Una we go back again. It's free. Oh, be managed on a ladiona way. You may not book be. More than 1 million guests and I'm setting you free. Madame, I fear and I at the name Madame, yeah, you winner. Why not set free? Why are you with a big go back? Why? Why? When I go went to very now. Why? I yet about Agberagbije, Nebe, Bezo, the social media now. If you don't push your, ever you have to listen to what buying. If I don't make buying, you don't want me, and I so Ave mami sun. Eyan mai ba ero mami joma na tell. Una mo bare. Una ya fio bojuwe. Una ya represent a shawo na bandi le do. We na get a band a shawo le do. Wa pa shawo igbele. Omi wa no ri gba shawo la din my sister. Wa hia na ya be na ya foki e problem ro o jewu enu naked iya pe agbo we we mure ni swell we mure ni kind of we mure ni follow ni we mure meaning we agree jo wa shawo pe e problem ro e si wendo asin we bo na zelebo we ni e sedo lavo go because if you do me e kia bu pe ni mari ne mari kwa le kia
Long live my king. Obaga talk be.
Ege kadosho ya no doa. E gift ira no ne do. Iya wi gwe. Oke sun e. E gift ira no ne doa. Where you go naked. Please, this is a symbol. E Edo people don't want to remember again, please. Especially the Benis. Please. Especially the Benis. Don't want to remember it again. That cloth you wore yesterday, they don't want to remember what you guys are doing with it. Nobody wore such cloth for husband. Ni ya la what the me mi on one no eje book money no do. But here a joint ni ana joy. A shower joy. And I'm your honor a shower for your husband. Or maybe ni maya shower for husband here. A pijama no mo sefu ne neti lele no cover beriana. No e sick yo ye be maya shower no do. E oye ni ka na jowo wo wa na jo mama be ma ya wa shawo no do me suvun me ju no suvun yuwe ya wa shawo no do me mie de me mie married woman no eje like this on do suvun yuwe me mie okpia no e wo kan we party ge na suvun yo beta iko na mu wa shawo ri ya wi yan ri pe ya wi yan okwewe don't remove it oh don't remove it oh we ni ya mu we ya wo wa ni ita. And the one who sue, my sister, I beg you in the name of God. I mean, if your boy, you come for money, me come for